installed 46 solar electric panels on this home. The panels are going to help reduce the electric bill by roughly $250 to $300 per month for the customer. We installed the solar electric system on the south roof of the residence. We're still in the morning hours, so we have a little bit of shade on the system, but nonetheless, very clean install. Very professional from Wayne Solar. Looks good. The second phase of this project was installing a solar pool heating system to heat their pool. We expect the solar panel system to heat their pool and extend the season from 107 days to roughly 290 days throughout the year of a warm swimming pool. We got the solar panels installed on the back roof. It's a west-facing system. Works very good for thermal solar, using the heat from the sun. You get that hot afternoon sun on the solar panels every day. Very good for heating the pool water. The solar electric system is going to be grid-tied using 2 Tesla inverters. This will allow the system to be able to sell excess electricity back to the grid, being able to use those credits in other times of the year when the solar maybe is not making as much power as the house is using.
You need solar. You want solar. Wayne Solar.